Hi guys, welcome to Mikas.com food review. This is one. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, okay, and like my videos. Okay, today I'm gonna review this special nasi lemak. Okay, normally nasi lemak your buy will be like $2.50, $3.50 and so on, right? But today is very special. It's only $1 nasi lemak, okay, and also a $2 nasi lemak. Alright, so check it out, this video guys. I'm gonna try to finish all 5 packets of nasi lemak here. Alright, okay, I try my best. Okay, check it out and roll my intro now. Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, I try to finish this $1 and $2 nasi lemak. Okay, 5 packets at one go. Alright, one by one. Okay, try. So let's remove this. This is the A, it's for ayam. This is the $2 nasi lemak. Okay, and T is for telur, is the $1 nasi lemak. Okay, so let's put this one side. Okay, right. Okay, alright, so let's unboxing the telur nasi lemak $1. Unboxing unwrapped. So they come with the banana leaf, that's very traditional. Okay, brown paper. Okay, but you can see the nasi lemak is on my plate right now. Okay, the sambal. Okay, I'll show you the sambal, the anchovies, the cucumber, right, and nuts. Okay, and the eggs, right? So it's all the sambal, the chili sambal is being drenched on the nasi lemak, right? Okay, so I'm waiting for, I'm hungry, let's dig in. Okay, sambal, okay, it's a half egg for $1 nasi lemak. Okay, 1 cucumber, anchovies, and some of the nuts. You can see the nuts. Right, so let me try the sambal first. Sambal tastes very nice, a little bit spicy, but it's very nice and sweet. Okay, okay, let's try the rice. This is so nice. The rice is very savory, right? You see the rice, it's not too clumpy. That's nice. The coconut santan inside is also very well made, right? It's very good. Okay, so let me mix with the anchovies and the nuts, the ground nuts actually. Okay, cucumber. Wow. Okay. This is the half egg. Okay, it's good. Wow, the taste is so good. I really like it. Okay, you guys should try and order and try this $1 nasi lemak. It's worth it, man. The rice is quite generous actually. They call it Nasi Lemak Mini. Alright, Nasi Lemak Mini $1. And the base of the brown paper, they put the banana leaf. Okay? So it's very traditional. I really like it. You know, it reminds me like kampung kind. We order nasi lemak in this type of packing. Damn delicious. For $1, tastes like this, worth it, man. Okay, I'm done with my first telur nasi lemak $1. Okay, so let's jump to the second packing of nasi lemak $1. Wow, the second packing looks much more appetizing, man. Okay, same with the egg, right? With the egg, cucumber, and some anchovies and nuts. Okay, let's dig in. Second packing. I never tried this type of food review before. Okay, finishing 5 packets of nasi lemak, but I think it's worth it. Alright. This nasi lemak is really, I can't stop at one, man. I really addicted. Need to eat more. I'm gonna drink first. Lemonade. Okay guys, let me tell you something. Okay, you all can order this if you want to try the $1 nasi lemak which I'm eating right now. Okay, you can try DM nasi lemak $1. Okay, I leave the description below, the link. Okay, you can DM. This nasi lemak is made by Tuti Syafazila. Okay, this is a home-based business selling nasi lemak for $1 and of course $2. They also have a various menu of nasi lemak, so you all can go to the IG, alright, and check it out. PM her, alright, check it out with her. What are the flavors that you like? So for today's review, I'm reviewing the $1 nasi lemak and of course the ayam later. Right, I'm finishing the second one now. Wow, nasi lemak is so nice. If you want to go picnic, you can just order the $1 nasi lemak. 5, 10, 15, 20 packets. Yeah? Or you have any big family to order nasi lemak, order from Tuti Syafazila, IG nasi lemak $1. Okay, I just finished second pack of nasi lemak $1. Okay, and now we're going for third pack. There is nasi lemak ayam. A is for ayam. Nasi lemak ayam $2. Ayam or chicken $2. Okay. Next, oh, I just love this packing with daun. Oh, smell the daun pisang, the banana leaf. I like it. Wow, check it out guys. The nasi lemak ayam or chicken. Okay, this is something good, man. Right, you can see the sambal here. Okay, you can see the sambal here, right? Okay, the chicken. Okay, and come with the chicken and the egg. The cucumber and the omelette egg. Okay, an omelette egg and some anchovies and some nuts. Right? Okay. Looks good, man. Cut back. Okay. Let's dig in. Check it out, the one drumstick for $2 nasi lemak. Okay, consists of one drumstick, right? See the chicken? Right, one drumstick, right? Okay, the chicken, the omelette, and the cucumber. Okay. The chicken fried is very nice. It's a well manipulated chicken, right? Not too hard, very tender. Okay, very nice, crispy. Oh, this is such a challenge for me to finish 5 packets of nasi lemak. Right, so deep for you guys. Get some drink. I think the $2 nasi lemak is worth it with the chicken. The $1 nasi lemak is also the best. Okay, third packet done already. Right. Now let's move on to the 4th packet. Oh my god, 4th packet. I think I no need to eat for the next few days already. Okay, see the same? The ayam, right? The ayam. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is a bit different. So you can see, same with the banana leaf. Okay. And just now it's a drumstick. Now I get the wing. I'm so lucky to get the wings. See? Chicken wing for nasi lemak, right? Sambal, same. Omelette, same. Okay. With the anchovies and some of the nuts. Okay, let's dig in. Continue. Right. The wing. Oh, the chicken wing fried is just perfect. Okay guys, remember, we're gonna try the nasi lemak, the $1 nasi lemak or the $2 nasi lemak. Go to Instagram, IG, Tuti Syafazila, right? The Instagram name is Nasi Lemak $1. Okay, check it out yourself, guys. The food is great. The nasi lemak tastes great. The chicken, the sambal, all perfect. I like it. 4 packets already, and I'm still addicted to this nasi lemak, man. I've never tried before, first time. But I like it. Very addictive. 1 packet not enough. Okay. 4 packet done. So, oh, this is good, man. And the last packet of Nasi Lemak $2 ayam chicken. Okay, last packet guys, last packet. Still the same. I love the banana smell. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the last packet, the drumstick. Okay. Okay, so the last packet. Wow, the nasi lemak so addicted. I think I'm gonna love this, man. Alright. Okay, let's do it. The chicken tastes nice. I love it. Omelette. With some lemonade water. Cucumber. Let's mix around the anchovies, the groundnuts, the fried groundnuts. Okay. It's nice. I'm starting to feel the fullness of the nasi lemak in my stomach already. But for you guys, for the sake of you guys, and for my viewers and my subscribers, this is for you. Right to the bone. I never tried to find nasi lemak at one go. My first time. Guys, please do subscribe, okay? And like my video, like and share. This nasi lemak $1 and the $2 nasi lemak is the best. Power bro, get it? Okay, remember DM IG Tuti Syafazila nasi lemak $1. Right? I leave the links below my description below for you guys to check it out and try it. But really guys, this is nice. Okay. I'll take 5 packets on one go. Wow, that's really cool, man. Okay guys, thank you for watching this nasi lemak $1 and $2 review. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, okay, and like my videos. Okay, power bro. So see you in the next video, right? Ciao.